All right, guys, we're at Doe Run. A little update on the car. Got some stickers on it. Yeah, I put them on right before we came out. Washed the car. As far as no change, we are gonna stick with small tires. I keep saying that, and I keep changing it. But let's interview this guy. It's my pit crew. What are you doing tonight? Huh? You gonna help me? Yeah.
This car is a race car, though. I'm on it right now.
What are you telling them?
I was telling them.
Are you on a struggle right now?
I'm sure. I'm just trying to fix your car, but I'm gonna drive one, but I don't have one right now.
Oh, you want to drive a race car, but you don't have one right now? You got say, Dad, give me a race car. Tell him.
But that's not even on here.
Well, tell him. He's right there. Yell him. Yell at him. Tell him.
Dad!
Tell him.
Dad!
Can you get
you a race car?
He wants a race car.
We find you one, buddy. We'll get you a race car.
Oh, where you start?
Front row outside.
Or outside. I'm at the back, which is fine.
I'm gonna be blocking like crazy. You ain't coming around me. I'm listening.
I'm gonna try my best to get around everybody. But that guy, the orange car, I can't zoom. The whole family's here. Everybody's here. The orange car back there starts on the pole, but because of passing points, he's gonna be on the back to heat race. So.
I'm gonna go.
All right, Clay's got something to say.
I gotta go inside of this, like those sprints, because I need to go inside your sprints.
It was a modified.
Oh, modified?
No, like those sprints I mean.
Oh, the sprints. You got to go in the inside of a sprint car?
Yeah.
Is he here tonight? Is he? You gonna drive one of those one day? Yeah? Is that one of your favorite ones? And usually this kid is never speechless. Now he's speechless. He's got the camera on him. Now I don't know what to say. Look at these nipples. Next racer here.
What are you doing? You running hot laps?
What are you doing?
Running hot laps. I gotta play that.
I swear, guys, he didn't mean to flip off the camera. It was an accident.
I'm just doing hot laps.
What?
Hot laps.
Hot laps?
Yeah. Not right now, because they're guys are talking to me.
What?
Well, I gotta go.
Oh, that reminds me. I gotta fix something on the Civic. All right, guys, we got done with the heat race. I had Katie film for me. Thank you, Katie. We started dead last, so which would be, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7th. Yeah, I started 7th. Fought through traffic. Just kind of watched people make some mistakes. Frankie got in the wall, which opened up the bottom for me, and I got around Kyle, past Frankie, and then got up to Paul. Almost had Paul at the line, but Paul is getting better there at the end. Driving a little bit smoother there, which makes him hard to pass. So trying to pass on the bottom and get Diamond off the bottom where he would get in the slick and push up, but just didn't have enough laps. So with passing points down here, I actually start on the pole. So let's see if we can get it done. I got Joey, orange car, like you guys like to see. He starts front row outside with me, and then Paul starts 3rd, and then I think Frankie starts 5th. So we're all having a good night, just enjoying this time down here. So I'll talk to you guys after the feature. Well, boys, we won another one. So we came down to Doe Run. Started on the pole because of passing points. I can hear Joey was right there behind me, but blew out his second gear in his trans, so he shifted to third. And he was still pretty damn quick. So, but got out front, and I knew I was leading pretty good. I can get the car on the ridge, just kind of stay in the throttle, and it just zipped right around the turns. Handles good, everything's good. No dents, no dings. Can go on to Peevely tomorrow and try to make it happen again. But just wanted to get on here and tell you guys we picked up another win down here at Doe Run. I did switch from small tires. I said I was gonna stay on them, but knowing how slick the track got, I did move to the bigger tires, which helps a lot. So I did get my trophy away. I told our buddy Brian, his mom Joy, she's battling cancer right now. I told her if I won tonight, I would give her the trophy. So I went ahead and walked up in the crowd and gave her the trophy, and feel good about that. That kind of stuff definitely means a lot more to me than, you know, the win does. Those are kind of memories that'll last forever. So it's a good night. So I'm gonna end this video here, and tomorrow we'll get the car ready. We'll make another video immediately, see if we can continue this streak. So you guys can subscribe to the channel, like this video, tell me what I can change, tell me what you guys want to see me do at the track or in the videos or anything, and go ahead and see the comment down there at the bottom. And then that's it. I'm gonna sign off. Do all that for us.